Doing extremely well today. Today is a wonderful day for the stock market, and it's good for you as an investor. I'm going to explain exactly why the stock market is absolutely killing it today, and we're going to get started. So hit the thumbs up button, buckle up your seatbelt. We're going to get started on the Black Financial Channel right now. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the Black Financial Channel. That's theblackfinancialchannel.com. My name is Dr. Boyce Watkins. I'm your friendly neighborhood finance professor. On the Black Financial Channel, we talk about economics, black wealth, and black wealth building many times a day, sometimes as much as 10 times a day, under one condition. The condition is that you must be B1. You don't have to be black to be here, but you got to love black people. And B1 means that you have to want to be intelligent. You don't have to be intelligent. You don't have to be educated, but you got to want to be educated. And also, you have to believe that we as a community can solve our own problems. And so if you believe in that philosophy, if the B1 philosophy makes sense to you, put a hashtag B in the number one in the chat, hashtag B1. That's our calling card. I am so sorry I'm late today. I was supposed to be in here at 12:05, and I didn't realize until about 12:25 that I completely it slipped my mind. I was in another meeting. But let's jump into this. How many of you today made money in your stocks? Give me a yes if you made money. Give me a no if you didn't make money. How's your stocks doing today? Today is an interesting day. Overall, the Dow has gone up about 156 points. That's really solid. And the number one reason that the Dow has gone up is because of the jobs report. The jobs report was really, really good, and it was very strong. It exceeded expectations. And according to CNBC, I'm looking here, it says July's strong jobs report could put the Fed on track to move away from easy policy. So on one hand, you've got the positive jobs report, which is going to boost stock prices, which it did. But then on the other hand, the fact that the jobs report was so positive means that there might be a push in the other direction to taper. Tapering is where the Fed slows down the easy monetary policy that has led to the boost in your in your valuations in the last several months. So on one hand, you got the good news, but on the other hand, you got the bad news that your stocks could actually be hit because the Fed's going to stop just sort of giving money away and printing money like there's no tomorrow. So when I'm looking at this here, I'm reading this article here that basically says that the Dow's hit another record high. Stocks tied to the economic recovery rose after a stronger than expected jobs report on Friday, sending two key market averages to all-time highs. They're also saying here that the Friday jobs report showed that the U.S. economy added 943,000 jobs in July, according to the Labor Department. Economists expected the economy to have 845,000 jobs. So when you expect this and you get this, that's what you call a positive surprise, which has led to a boost in stock prices across the board. Now it looks like Robinhood, somebody said Hood is up about 12% today. Robinhood, which is officially a meme stock, it's a big old mess, but and a lot of institutional investors have run away from Robinhood, but that doesn't mean you have to run away. Just make sure you know what it is. It's like a one-night stand. It's not the same as a long-term committed relationship, but hey, sometimes you want to have a little bit of fun. And Robinhood is now trading at $57.65. It started off the true market value based on the IPO was about $35. So Robinhood's trading a little bit above what many experts expect the price to be. And as I mentioned to you guys last night, the big challenge with Robinhood also is that the company just put out a filing where they basically filed for the right to sell almost 100 million shares on the market, and that money isn't going toward making the company better. It's not going to where the company can make investments. It's not going toward anything that's going to let them pay off debt. It's going to the original shareholders. So the first investors are going to sell to the new suckers. That's pretty much kind of how they're looking at it. They said, look, I bought this stock for 20. I'm about to drop it off for 57 and wish you good luck with your $57 stock that's really only worth about $35. And so ultimately, I wouldn't necessarily want to be on the receiving end of that deal. I think that's what Dr. Claude Anderson, will refer to as the doctrine of unequal exchange. But if that's something that floats your boat, then I say go for it. There's also a lot of interesting options activity when it comes to Robinhood, which I might actually dabble in a little bit too, because I told you guys when the options premium go real high, sometimes I like to buy some shares and sell the options. That's a good way to make income, but you got to be careful because there's a lot of volatility. What else is happening? Well, I mentioned to you guys last night, my stock pick of the week is actually HubSpot. HUBS, HubSpot. HubSpot is, it looks really good, like a really good investment. I bought some HubSpot yesterday. I'm going to buy some more real soon. And also treasury yields are going up. Treasury yields which are an indicator that the economy is getting stronger. That yield went up, which basically says that you have two things happening. You have one, a stronger economy, but then you also have the risk of inflation from an overheated economy. So there's kind of a mixed bag when it comes to treasury yields. Almost everything in finance has a yin and a yang. So there's some things that are good, and there's some, but every good thing has a bad thing. Every bad thing has a good thing. So ultimately, the market's looking really good, and that's really it. There's not much else to talk about right now. I did a more extensive video last night. You guys are welcome to go hop back in and go check that out from yesterday. And also, don't forget that the All Black National Convention is coming up. That's going to be at the end of October at the All Black National Convention. We're going to have breakout sessions on everything from real estate to politics to entrepreneurship to relationships. We're going to do speed dating, where you can meet other B1 people that you can possibly date. We're going to do speed networking, where you can network with people that you can do business with. We're also going to have a masquerade ball and awards show and all kinds of really great stuff. So it's going to be really good. How do I feel about Microsoft? B. Claude, I like Microsoft a lot. I bought a bunch of shares of Microsoft. Microsoft is one of my stable horses that I invest in consistently over a long period of time. IBM is actually another stock that a lot of people are sleeping on. It's actually a good stock. And if you want to learn more about investing, feel free to go to firstsharestock.com. Even if you have already bought your first share, I'll send you a ton of free information. So get into our ecosystem, and that way I can also let you know when the All Black National Convention tickets are on sale, and you can join us for the A, B, and C. It's going to be really good. We're going to make it into a year-long event where it's going to have the physical event, but we're going to stretch it into a year-long digital interface where you'll get a chance to interact with people before you get there, and then when you get there, you can meet them in person. So anyway, guys, I am out of here. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you for listening. Please hit the thumbs up button on your way out. I'm Dr. Boyce Watkins, and I will talk to you guys soon. Take care. Bye-bye. Peace.